to play to the bowling field. One by one they roll and spin. Who will knock the bowling pins?
Let's go!
Egg number 1 rolls down the lane, spinning fast like a choo-choo train. Crash, bam, pins go flying high. Knock them down, oh my, oh my. Egg number 2 takes steady aim, rolling strong in the bowling game. Bump, tap, oh no, just 2. That's okay, says egg number 2. Egg number 3 rolls left and right. Wiggly wobble, what a sight. Tinkle a clack and start to fall. She knocks down some, not quite all. Egg number 4 goes nice and slow, rolling gently, soft and low. Thump, oops, he missed the mark. All the pins are standing hard.
Can I do it?